हाय। आई नो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है एंड आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो हैव गॉट आईब्रोज लाइक यू हैव। यू कैन सी क्या किया जाए। चलो अपना आइडिया यूज़ करते हैं। ओके, सो फॉर ऑल दिस यू विल नीड two things. One is razor and another one is hair removal cream and spatula of it. Then tissues and one mug of water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to identify my hair areas. As you can see, okay, I'll take cream little bit. I'll just put it at the tip. Okay, and I'm going to apply it. Okay, this way. Yeah, can you see? Same procedure, just at the tip. Don't apply it full, the whole eyebrow will gull. Okay, only at the tip. Okay, as I have nowhere else, only here I have. Okay, same way I'm going to apply it here on this area. Okay, apply it at the tip. If you want, you can just spread it a little. Just you can use your finger also. Okay, it does nothing harm. I'll show you this side by just applying with my finger. I don't have anything in the center, but I can feel little growth. Okay, so I'm going to apply it in the center as well. It's looking nice, like a bindi. Okay. Again, I think the application is lighter here, so I'm just applying it a little more. Can you see? I have this in my hand, okay? If any irritation occurs when you are applying the cream, see to it you wash it away. Don't wait and tolerate the pain. Just wash it away and relax, okay? With cold water you can wash it, and no need to tolerate. If the irritation still persists, please go and consult the nearest doctor. Okay, for for me there is nothing, there is no irritation so far, so I'm just going to continue it. Okay, can you see how I'm applying it? I'm just taking it at the end of my spatula and taking it on my fingertip and applying it. Since I'm trying this for the first time, so I myself doubt that I may end up touching my eyebrows, and I won't look bad, but it does look odd, like one eyebrow off. Imagine. So I think we must always take care when we are doing something like this, especially the first time. Okay, see, I'm applying it part by part. I'm not applying it the whole. Okay, so never be confident enough when you're applying it. At the same time, don't mess it up. Don't try to be a beauty practitioner there. Okay, can you see this, how I'm applying? Okay, I'm just applying in the areas where I feel the hair should be taken away, so I'm applying it. You can also use the strips, you know, the wax strips that come up, that also you can use. Only thing is you have to cut those wax strips in very thin shades, very thin parts, you know, like strips, very thin strips, and then you have to give it a warm blow and you can just put it. Next time I'll show you the I'll show you with that wax strip. Okay, I felt this would be more easy than the strips because no pulling pain and all, you know, and cream is always fun. You just apply and sit for another 5-10 minutes and it's pulled off. So that is the area. You'll be thinking why I'm sitting with a razor. I'll tell you what it is for. See, I touched my eyebrows there. As soon as you touch the eyebrow with the cream, it is not going to harm your eyebrows. Only thing is you have to wipe it then late. Okay, now I'm going to keep it and set it like this for another 5 to 9 minutes. Okay, all right, so this is done. Now, as you know, when you apply the cream, you have to wait for its removal for say 3 to 5 minutes. Yes, it's mentioned 3 to 6 minutes, so I'm going to wait for that time and then I'll show you the removal of this application. Okay, by that time I'm having my tea and I'll be back. Bye. Hi, so here it is. Now time to remove. Don't exceed more than 10 minutes. That's my suggestion. Otherwise you'll have a little bit of irritation. So it's always good to follow the timings properly and then remove it. Okay. Now, since I have applied it this way, I would like to remove it in the opposite angle. Here, if you can see, I'll just show you. Can you see this? It's all out. Yeah, I'll show you in the tissue as well. Yeah, my hair is out. Okay, so in this manner you have to remove it. See, those are my hair. Okay, nothing else will happen. Only the unwanted ones, which wherever you have applied, that area would be clear. Okay, so no need to worry what will happen to my eyebrows. You know, will they all come out? ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. Okay, so be confident but not overconfident. And if you have kids at home, it's better when you try doing this stuff only after they sleep, or lock yourself in a room and then do it. Okay, because their disturbances is going to again create a trouble for your eyebrows. See, clean. Okay, can you see that? These are the leftovers. I mean, they'll come out once you wipe it off with the cloth. Okay, the same manner here also, in the center. Can you see? I did have hair in the center, yeah, even though it was not visible. I did have. Yeah, I come to know when I'm removing it with the spatula, the hair is coming here at its tip. See, can you see these hair? Yeah, so it's going to come out like this. Okay, be gentle but don't be slow. Just trace it out. Just trace it out. Okay, I'll just apply a little bit of water. See, my hair is coming out. It works, yeah, even though I was not so sure whether it will work, but if it worked, then I would have, if both of, I was in the situation for both the sides. If it worked, I would have shown you. It would have been a successful video. If it didn't work, still I would have shown you and given you precautions of not to use it at home. No, do not try this at home, you know, that kind of situation. But this is superb, guys, superb. I mean, why you have to go to your parlor and, you know, hats off. This is very nice. You can see now it's clean. Yeah, since I know a bit of my shape of my brows, so I have tried doing this on my own. You have to know your eyebrows shape. Usually, if in my earlier video, if you see, I keep a thin eyebrow. My parlor Didi doesn't listen. She's on her own, you know, decides. But this time I've got to take charge of myself. और काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है, यू नो. ये तो गज़ब हो गया. I mean, I never thought I could do this all by myself. Amazing. Amazing, guys, amazing. I'm just loving it. I don't know about what you all might be thinking, but I am just loving this you know, if you're unable to take it out from your spatula, if you're unable to remove it like this, then just wipe it off with your tissue. Nothing will go wrong. Okay, everything would be just clean. Can you see that? Can you see? Fantastic. This was a hit episode. This was super duper hit. All chota mota hair is also coming out. Okay, otherwise you have to sit and show it to your that lady who is just pulling it out. You have to tell her, ये देखो ये वाला नहीं निकला, ये देखो यहाँ रह गया. This is all nothing like that. It's all like coming up very clean and neat. Okay, you see that now? So I thought, if this doesn't work, if this gives an irritation to me, then I would have used a razor. Okay, but it just didn't disappoint me. I just used this. This is good. Okay, only thing is, stick to the timings. If it is mentioned 3 to 6 minutes, guys, like I have a thick brow. If you see, my hair is thick, so I waited for 3-4 minutes more, and that is why I removed it after 10 minutes. But do not exceed the timing. Nothing is going to happen, nothing major is going to come up if you exceed. उतना ही निकलेगा जहाँ लगाया है, तो निकलना तो ज़रूर है उसको. Okay, so only that I have to advise. And use your finger for application. Also, if you feel that tissue, dry tissue is giving you a tough job, just nothing doing this tissue, dip it in water. Okay, just dip it like this, squeeze it a bit. Now wipe it off. You'll have a very cool and soothing sensation over there, and okay, and it's going to ease you off, and nothing else. Okay, खींचना नहीं है, रगड़ना भी नहीं है. ओके, सिंपल वे में जस्ट उसको वाइप कर देना है, पोंछ देना है. ओके, और कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है. ये सबसे आसान तरीका है घर बैठे अपना आईब्रो करना. ओके, सो इट वॉज अ hit. This video was a hit, guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to give a like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe. Have a look on my other videos. Maybe it will make your day. Bye.